Alright you guys, so I kind of wanted to show you a little glimpse of the things that I have to do for today. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, I decided to change my mind. I'm going to go ahead and put the garland in on the stairs. Before I can put away all these boxes, I'm going to use these little wire fuzzy thingies so I can wrap it around the staircase. You guys, so that is the stairwell right there. It is not perfect, but it is what it is. Every single year I'm like, oh, I need to get the ribbons and the bows and all of that stuff, and I never do, so I'm just gonna have to remember to do it next year, hopefully, fingers crossed. But let's just go ahead and get these storage boxes out of here, and let's see what we can do with the rest of the to-do list. Doesn't get any much realer than this. Sammy just threw up all over the carpet, so I'm gonna clean this up, and then I'm gonna give her a bath because I have to. She's threw up all over herself. I don't even know how.
Is the door open there?
Going bonkers. She's nice and clean, and she does something so cute. Little bucking Bronco. You're not going outside, Missy. Yeah, that'll do for now. Can I catch a break? Oh my goodness, she did it again. This time she threw up in the kitchen, so that wasn't so bad. I can, you know, clean it up and disinfect or whatever. But I put her in the kennel that is now too small for her, so I have to go into the garage and get the bigger kennel that is like extra large. So, whew. Okay, I've cleaned up after little Miss Sammy. I had a little bit of lunch. Remembered that the boys' car seats are not in the Jeep. I have to get those in the Jeep because we're gonna go pick up groceries after we go pick up Parker from school. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to quickly just kind of vacuum in there and get as much of the crumbs and all that stuff out of there before putting these car seats in, because time's wasting. So let's get that done. And you guys need a handheld vacuum for sure. We have two of them. One of them I did purchase, and then the other one was sent to me by the brand. But yeah, I'm gonna use this one. I really don't recommend it other than quick, tidy cleaning up. You don't know carpet. This just turned into a review. This is no good for carpets or animals or anything like that. I use it mainly in the kitchen to, you know, clean up the stairs or just quickly tidy. This does the job. But let's just go outside. Alright guys, so that does it for today. I am exhausted. I did a lot of things that were not on my to-do list, but I did give Sammy a bath. And then the last thing that we're going to do is we are going to super quickly clean the master shower, and that's it. We did pick up groceries. We didn't do laundry. We did not sweep or mop. And I didn't make the master bedroom tidy, but oh, I also didn't do my kitchen. But let's just go ahead and do the rest of that, and maybe we'll be done. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Needless to say, I am super exhausted. I did a lot of work, and I think I definitely deserve everything that I purchased for Black Friday. My packages should be coming this week, so I'll be sharing those with you guys. And then I'm planning on sharing like gift guides, stocking stuffers, things like that on my blog. And maybe I'll just do it here too. I'll just kind of put the picture of the items. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what other videos are you interested in seeing. What are you doing for Christmas? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!